The HSE was built with the factory floor in mind, to make the cars of tomorrow, connected vehicles, to make consumer devices. The factory floor has got to be transformed. That's what we're excited to be part of here at Essentium. That's what we're delivering with HSE to customers all over the world. HSE allows the connectivity, it allows the scale, it allows the adoption of additive manufacturing to really push the needle, to drive tomorrow's products out the door. The molds and the tooling and even the part should be printed and not milled or molded. That's more cost effective, but it's only achieved through HSE. What we've done with HSE is we've designed it using linear motors, we've designed it using ball screw. We have 1 micron accuracy on our linear drives. We have tens of microns positional repeatability in all axis motion. We've got the ability to accelerate at 3G. We've got the ability to have linear motion speeds, printing of greater than 500 millimeters a second. The machine moves like it's a semiconductor robot, or it moves like it's a mill. It doesn't move like a printer, and that's on purpose. We deliver scale in 2 ways. We deliver scale in time to part and cost per part. Without very, very fast time to part and without very, very effective cost per part, you don't have scale. You have to have the productivity of manufacturing with the flexibility of printing. That's the bridge that HSE crosses. We have the world's fastest motion system. We have the world's most accurate motion system. We have the most powerful extrusion system in additive. When you look at extrusion systems, we are the fastest, most accurate, and most powerful extrusion system on the market.